Hey guys, today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I've literally been waiting all day for this box to get here. It is 6:40 at night. In one of my previous videos, I told you guys UPS has been coming later and later. Usually they come at like 4 o'clock. In that video, they came at 5 o'clock. In this video, they came at 6:40. So they're just getting later and later, and it's annoying. But I get it, you know, there's just shipping services, I get it. Anyway, on to the video. I'm doing an unboxing video from Jomar. Again. I ordered a 25-piece box. They're all bralettes. So yes, this is the bralette pack, new with tags, Boho, 25-piece box. It was $81.25. I got free shipping on this. Typically shipping for this box is only $15, so that's relatively cheap compared to other boxes because this box did not weigh a lot. I think it was only a couple pounds. So yeah, let's see what we got in the box. I want to expand my closet and just have other things in it. And if I'm gonna have like intimates, I want them to be new with tags. I don't pick up used intimates at the thrift stores because I think that that's just gross. Okay, so it looks like this box is all free people and there's multiples of things. First thing is this bralette, this strapless bralette in this pretty green color. Again, this is free people, size medium to, this one's a size large. So 2 mediums, a large, another medium, and another large. So math, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 mediums and 2 larges. This like pretty, it's like a really light like olive green color. It's actually really pretty. Okay, I gotta figure out how to photograph these. Like, am I gonna put these on my mannequin? Maybe. Okay, so this is really pretty. Looks like that. I like the back, how it like crisscrosses like that. That's pretty. This is a 36 double D. This one is a 32B. Okay, I'm glad I got like different sizes. This is 34D. This is 34B. And then this one is 34 double D. So then we have this. Oh, this is cute. That is really cute. This is a size small. Oh, that's really cute. I love the color. And then it looks like that in the back. So we have a small. We have another small. We have another small. We have another small. The last one is another small. Okay, and then we have the same one, just in this really pretty, like light burnt orange. Kinda, sorta, yeah. Okay, and the back looks like that. This is a size small. Are these all gonna be smalls? Are these all gonna be smalls? Small. Large. Ooh, okay, good. That's cute. This is another large. This color is called camel, by the way. Camel, yes. And then this one is a small. And the last thing in the box is this pretty, if I can hold it up, bralette. The color is really pretty. In the back looks like that. This is a size, ooh, extra small. This one is a size extra small. This one is a size extra small. This one is a size small, and then this one is a size small. So that's everything that I got in my Jomar bralette boho free people box. I'm excited to see how these do. Like I said, I've never sold like intimates like this, so I don't know how they would do. They're all new with tags. They're all free people, which is a good brand, and they're all like trendy and cute. So we'll see. We'll see how they do. If you can hear my kids screaming in the background, they're getting ready for bed. They are all wound up, actually. I don't know if bed's gonna happen because they're wound up. I will link Jomar down below if you guys are interested. I'll also have all the stuff listed on my Poshmark closet. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.